Hello students, welcome to in 5 minutes. I need to solve one more property of Bessel function, that is d by dx x raised to n into jn of x. This comes to be x raised to n jn minus 1 of x. Let's start with proof of this. I start with LHS, that is d by dx of x raised to n into jn of x. That comes to be u into v. So xn jn dash of x, differentiation of jn I did, plus let's keep jn of x as it is, and x raised to n differentiation is n x raised to n minus 1. So now x raised to n, in the place of jn dash of x we can write a property, that is jn minus 1 of x minus n by x jn of x. Further, this comes to be plus n x raised to n minus 1 into jn of x. Now let's solve this. So this comes to be x raised to n jn minus 1 of x, let's multiply inside, minus x raised to n minus 1 into n jn of x, and the last is plus n x raised to n minus 1 jn of x. If you see carefully, I can say that this term and this term gets cancelled. So further I get this as x raised to n jn minus 1 of x, so which is equal to RHS, hence proved. So I proved what? I proved that d by dx x raised to n into jn of x, that is equal to x raised to n jn minus 1 of x. So similarly from here I can write, by taking this differentiation this side, I can write integration of x raised to n into j n minus 1 of x dx, that's equal to x raised to n jn of x. Or else if I put x raised to minus n here also, n minus 1 of x, so that changes to, this comes to be minus x of minus n jn of x. So I'll be using this property in my next sums. So my next sum is, I had already completed 5 sums, so I continue with 6th sum, that is we need to evaluate j3 of x dx. So when we say j3 of x, so first we need to bring this in a proper form. So that can be, let's say I is equal to integration j3 of x dx. So further I change this into x square integration of x square multiplying x raised to minus 2 j3 of x dx. So by applying u into v, we can say x square, then integration of x raised to minus 2 j3 of x dx minus integration, then differentiation of x square, so that is 2x. So what we have to, this as u and this as v, so 2x. After that integration of x raised to minus 2 j3 of x dx and one more dx. So this comes to be x square, and this as minus x raised to minus 2 j2 of x. So that is by my property, the property which I proved here, that is x raised to minus n jn of x is minus x raised to minus n and jn minus 1, so that becomes 3 minus 1 minus integration 2x, and then here also I can write minus x raised to minus 2 j2 of x dx. So further I can write this as x raised to 2 x raised to minus 2 goes, so that remains with minus of j2 of x minus this minus becomes plus 2 integration of this, and this becomes x raised to minus 1 into j2 of x dx. So finally I get this as minus j2 of x. This comes, I write as minus first, this comes again x raised to minus 1 j2 of x. So integration with my property I can say minus 2 x raised to minus 1, and this becomes j1 of x. So that's the answer of j3 of x.